Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. This is Marilyn Gail. Listen, I'm going to bring you something quick, but it saddens me. It was out of San Jose, California, where this elderly woman goes into a yogurt shop, and a Hispanic lady gets behind her. So she fusses at the lady because she feels she's not keeping social distancing. So the lady turns around and says something to her mom, starts speaking to her mom in Spanish. Well, the lady took her mask off and intentionally coughs in the baby's face. Oh, I didn't mention that. The lady had a baby in the stroller. She took her mask off. She took her mask off and coughs in the baby's face intentionally at least a few times. Gets her order, walks out the store. The police are looking for her now. So if that's not ignorant, somebody tell me who is. Not the babies, not anyone, but to turn around. And I think the kid was very young. I want to say 1 or 2 years old, little tight. But to take your prejudice, your hatred, your revenge, or whatever the intention was, whatever way she felt, to take it out on a helpless baby. Oh, karma's gonna be knocking for you, woman. Karma's gonna be knocking so you a coward to take it out on a baby. And the mother is like, it happened so fast, she didn't have time to react. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to tell you what I would have done, because I would have been in handcuffs. Not the babies. Leave the babies out of it, you silly woman. So, guys, that's it. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it at that. You draw your own conclusion. I was unable to get a picture. I think maybe if I waited a little bit, it would have been a picture. I was able to get a picture. I was not able to get a picture, but it infuriated me that this lady in her 60s turned on a child and bestowed her hatred on that child. We got to do better, guys. We got to do better. That's all I got.